dear.
Wait, which way is up? What are you doing? He's vlogging.
Skiing, day 0. Not skiing. Walking down some steps. Walking with a roof over our heads. Walking without a roof over our heads. Walking in the opposite direction.
Back where we came.
Yes. Food is here. Food is gone. And it's the following morning, and everyone is unbelievably excited.
I'm thrilled to be skiing today.
Good. Going off a jump! What a jump! And again! Oh! Amazing. Day 1, after skiing.
Yesterday was day 1.
No, that was day 0. That was day 0.
Are we filming this argument?
Yes, argument 0.
This is argument 1.
Food is here again. Food is gone. Why didn't you make more food? Loading the dishwasher. Today has been an exciting one. Playing pool. For the win. No. For the win, take 2. No. For the win again.
That's good.
For the win, take 4. For the win, take 5. This is getting boring.
For the win, take 6. And that's just how you win.
Day 2. Morning. Eating eggs. Carrying a plate. Good weather.
Well,
Yeah.
not quite good weather.
Not raining.
Getting better weather.
Improving weather. Day 2. Group ski. Going up a chairlift.
In twos.
In 2s. We're already here. Arrival number 3. No, that's a snowboarder. He looks like George.
Does it?
There they are. There they are. Right, okay. Arrival number 2. Here they come. On our way down. Mountains. Very bright sunsets. Here goes the pro with the GoPro. There's someone behind you. Watch out. Everyone's coming. It's getting steeper. A hut. Lake. Chairlift. Moving, moving, moving. Advancing down the hill. God, my hands are cold.
Might be done.
Lift number 2.
With John this time. Yeah.
With John.
Thanks.
This time, yeah. Thanks for that. Still skiing. Not skiing, but waiting. Come on. Give me something to film. Speed, 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 speed. What technique? Will he stop? Well, the crash scene tells an interesting story. And here we are at the finish. Finisher number 1 on his own. And to finish. Very good. And here are the last 2 finishers. And here they come to finish off. Will I get run over? No, and no. And so concludes Group Ski Day 2.
I knew I would get it eventually.
And we're about to take on a black, my first. Let's see if I survive. We did survive!
We did it.
Yay! Right, let's go. Are you ready?
I'm ready. What do I do? Just drink it.
You pretend you haven't noticed me. Cream. Food is here. Food is gone. Meta. Day 3.
Bus is here.
Oh yeah. On a bus. And this morning, different resort. We're right at the top. Amazing view. You've gone the wrong way.
I haven't.
Yeah.
Oh, have I?
Food again. Well done. After conquering the other resort, back at the same resort.
I'm skiing!
Group ski, final day. There's a Lauren. Bye. Right. Go, 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 go. Ah, passing a Lauren.
Be warned, you are all on film. Taking a break. There you go. There you go. There's the technique. Allons-y. Dark green. Oh, there's a hole there. Watch out. Woo! Hello.
And they're off. And in the first corner, Lauren leads Denman by 3 furlongs.
Leading at the first corner. Amazing technique here.
And Tom's coming in behind, but Lauren's still ahead. anyone's race.
Stopping, taking a break.
They stop before the line.
High five. High five on the GoPro. Hey. And again. One from here as well. Denman passing. Lauren on the ground. Lining up for the off-piste. Yeah. Let's go. Whee! And an incredible pass from George and Lauren. Mountains. A car park. A George. Now for a race.
Terrible idea.
And that was a mistake, going the long way round the hut. Passing a George. Still in the lead. Still in the lead. My mate got a win. We approach the final straight. Hello. They're all played.
Oh, that was fun.
What can't you handle when there's 2 pieces of wood on your feet? Round the moat. Not like that. No more red? What is this shit? Oh wait, there it is. Well, I'm on my own. About to ski a red. I really shouldn't. But, you know, philosophical statement, yeah, basically I'm an idiot, let's go. How hard can it be? Answer, icy. And quite mogly too. But basically, as long as you don't break any bones, you'll be fine. This is my advice for life. Do dangerous things without getting injured. Hey, Adam! Hello! Fancy seeing you here. Look who I bumped into. Attempting the final bit with someone else. Maybe this isn't such a bad idea. Where was I? Oh yes. Piece of advice number 2 when skiing on your own. Bump into someone you know on the way down. That way it's safer. Rather icy. Rather steep too. Ah! That was a big one. Into the mogul. Ah! What? What? Kick up this one. Round that one. Round here. And speed, 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 speed. Less speed, less speed. That's enough speed. Final moments of skiing on the skiing holiday. And Adam's off-piste. This is very daring. Oh, now he's going backwards. Oh, and a turn. So much skill. Oh, well, we all saw it. Now we think that's how you turn all the time. You've let yourself down there. Going onto the snow pile. Going off the snow pile. Oh, another one. Trees. Well, that concludes the skiing section of the skiing holiday. Wow, wow, wow. Finishing their lesson. Returning our skis. Skis returned. Food is here. Food is gone. More food. Again? Final morning. Getting ready to go.
I'm already ready.
Someone's already ready. He thinks he's ready.
Plot twist.
Can we decide on whether John is ready or not?
No.
No. Au revoir. Leaving. End of the trip. Until next year.